Well, for those of you who knows that recently I started making my own kefir, and I had a discussion with my wife. I would like to try the difference between a store-bought and also homemade. So we decided to do two different types to tell if there's any differences, not just the preferences. The reason why I did this is when I first bought Costco Kefir, and it tasted horrible. And that's why in light, I want to see if there's any difference in taste profile. Here we go.
So you're gonna close your eyes and I'm gonna hand you one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which one? Okay. Okay. Wait, do I need to cleanse my palate?
I'll get you a cup of water.
Okay.
Actually, here's your tea. Have your tea.
No, the first one tastes quite watery. Let's try the second one. Yeah. I think the second one is chunkier. I think the second one is ours. I can tell the texture. So I think the second cup is homemade, and the first cup is store-bought. It just tasted thinner. So what was it?
That was right.
It was right?
Yeah.
Yeah.